feel like a foreigner.
So guys, again,
On the sidewalk look different.
Basilia hasn't been out since
Oh my
March.
god. March
Not
12.
exaggerating. Spare a thought. Spare a thought for the jobless. Check it. No paycheck to be cut. They had a job, but that dried up quicker than a Happy Meal with a 7-Up. They can't do less hours. They actually wish they had more. Stop and take a look. There are levels to being poor. They have bills too, kids too, kids numbering 4, and they're living with mommy too. One breadwinner no longer taking home the bacon. We're affected all in some ways, but there are some affected more in this nation. So spare a thought for the jobless. Spare a thought for the hopeless. They're hopeless because they've had stress that's up to their necks. Nightly frets, gambling debts, penniless. They've given up on life, as you know. They've been stunted. Nowhere to go, no economic growth. Life slow and so spare a thought. Spare a thought. Spare a thought for the frontliners. Their kids don't remember how they look because at night they come in like a crook. Leave before the sun rises and return way past its set. They're trying to keep people alive right at door's death. So spare a thought. Spare a thought for the kids who don't understand. They just want to play and hold hands. And now they can't run to mommy when she leaves work because she's unclean, so mommy stays away for the whole week, and only on Zoom they speak. Then to hear the news that mommy's weak, and then to hear their views they have to tweak because mommy died a hero, helping others live, and that's not just the type of news that I'd like to give. So spare a thought. Spare a thought for the sick who just laying in bed, given over to COVID as if they're dead. They're left alone in some cases. We hear about the numbers, but we don't see the faces. So spare a thought. Alright guys, so it's the first time Bella, Bria and Bass are going out for 3 months from March.
From March 12th.
Bria, how are you feeling? You excited to go outside?
Yes.
Where are you going?
I'm going on a trip to go to a shoot.
Alright, are you excited?
Yes, I am.
What do you think about coronavirus?
I think I don't want to get sick. And
So what are you gonna do to not get sick? Say it loud, man.
Mask.
Yeah.
And I'm so excited to go because I never go from since March because
I remember.
cause
So guys, this is Bella. Bella is happy waiting. Bella is taking up all the shoes because she's ready to be excited. Say hi, mama. She's just taking up shoes, guys. Can't see her. Look, this is her outside shoe. So she keeps taking it up. She has on her shoe already. Right, but she knows that this is the outside shoe. Hey!
look at my shoes, guys. Look.
Yeah, we're going outside. Watch this, guys. Come. Yeah, we're going in the car.
Come, guys, don't be late.
So they're outside now. We're gonna be going on the road. Hey, where you going? Where you going?
Hey, guys.
Where you going? The dog. Yeah, leave the dog. Matching outfit, guys. Matching outfit. So guys, Basilia is coming outside for the first time since I don't even know when.
Listen, guys, y'all don't even understand my level of excitement. Excitement? Yes. I have not been out of the house since March 12, and so I'm excited. I will never take certain things for granted again. Like going in the car and going up to Mandeville. Let's go. Listen, I feel like a foreigner.
So guys, again,
On the sidewalk look different.
Basilia hasn't been out since
Oh my
March.
God,
She's
March
not
12.
exaggerating. She's not exaggerating. And I want people to take this serious because the reality is COVID has affected all of us in some way, shape or form. So, Auntie Renee is in the car. Might I say please wait.
Hi. Oh my God.
How have you been managing
I can't stop
just being
looking
inside?
outside.
Hold on, this other shift. Click. There we go.
Yeah.
How have you been managing just being inside?
We made a decision / deal that he would be the one to do all the road runs and go down the road because we have the girls, we have the babies. So
See, you call me indispensable.
No, that no.
And me must go take the burden and yeah.
No, it's just that God forbid if any one of us got sick.
I would prefer it to be me.
Yeah, he would prefer for it to be him, and we wouldn't want it to be both of us because, especially for the girls, their interest is front and center. So they haven't been out either. Apart from in the yard, they haven't been out. So I haven't been out on.
Where this money has stopped to go use the bathroom. Right in that corner. If we could have switched the video now, we switch the video. Man stop in that corner to use the bathroom.
So I haven't been out since March 12th. Actually, from we heard of the first case of COVID, we actually pulled Bria from school. That was even before the government said what they did, because we know how COVID works and we never wanted to take any chances, and we weren't sure if the government would have made a decision that quick. No, thankful. Picked up her books and everything, so she hasn't been out, or Bella, since March 12th either.
Listen, Bella put on her shoes, sit down at the door, and a point.
God.
Bella would get up sometimes in the days, guys, and go in the car seat, just sit down.
And just sit down.
And
Oh
we have
my
to
God.
take her out. And I mean, it seems funny and it's, boy, Basa got excited. But guys, the reality is,
Listen.
this joy is real. And
Yep.
really, we have a lot that we have been taking advantage of over time.
Take it for granted.
I take it for granted, sorry.
Listen, I will never take certain things for granted again. Like going on the road and going even out of Mandeville, going to the beach, I will never take those things for granted again. Never, never, never.
Yeah. So I mean,
I wasn't even sure if I could still drive. I was saying to
that was just extra, yeah. That's an extra no, right?
No, I'm never
that's
sure,
an extra,
babe.
guys.
No.
That guys are telling us
No.
about leaving a month. But anyway,
You don't know.
that is not.
Because remember, after I had the baby and I didn't drive for 6 weeks, it felt so weird.
It feels weird, but it no means that you can't drive.
Well, I mean, I know. I never go without driving for so long.
So guys, I personally don't think I'm gonna be doing the vlog to show my day and all of that. But the reason why I believe this one is important is because I know there are other persons out there who still have not been out.
Yeah.
Even to this day, even though the governments have opened up the economies and trying to get things back on track, there are persons who will not go out. And I mean, we will be taking precautions with inside now, so we don't have on the mask. Like, yeah, a lot of changes you can see on the road, guys. It's really. I went into Kingston the other day and I'm like, this is just a new place. And the reality is we've had to make adjustments, and I know a lot of you had made adjustments as well. And it's just been so real and it's just been crazy. This whole new norm, and I don't know how many of you are enjoying it, but like today's the day we are enjoying.
Yeah.
Like,
I never thought.
long time I drive out with my family. Like, yeah, Bria around there excited, like, oh, she look at everything. Look at the house. And maybe like, house?
She's like, look at the
yeah.
cow.
Yeah, like, you always say house is mama, you always say cow is mama.
No,
But she's
cow.
just been inside. And I mean, for kids in particular, see, she'll fall asleep already. Oh, Bella.
Oh.
It's been crazy for us as adults. Can you imagine kids?
For the kids.
Right.
So,
So
we know
Bria-
it has been affecting.
We're gonna ask Bria to just tell it. Bria, how you feel to be outside? Oh, you have to talk loud, everybody can hear you.
Excited.
You're excited? What do you want to do when you go out? Where are we going? going to a trip. See guys, we just got up on the road, like literally
It's
gone
a
around the
trip.
road, and it's a trip.
I never thought in a million years that life would have changed so quickly. Well, life would have changed so much so quickly. Like this was never, you know, in the back of my mind, obviously because we've never really experienced COVID before, but I'm just so happy to be outside. Just so happy. So guys, we will continue to keep you updated on our first day out as a family. All right, so we're actually going to do a shoot.
You'll see the results of it soon.
Yeah. I'm so happy to be outside.
We must go.
Auntie, I love you. On video.
So remember one time I go home and wake up in at about 11 bills. I feel sick. I think I fell asleep in the couch. So I decided that I'm not going to sleep with nobody tonight. I'm not going in the room, go look for the kids. I'm not going in the room beside babe. So I go back in the couch. Wake up in about 2 o'clock. I feel worse, throat sore. I go in the bathroom, go in the kitchen and I get some warm salt water. Don't know, Jamaican thing. You know, grandma teach me to gargle with that. And I gargle, go to sleep, wake up about 6 o'clock. I feel like a fever, I feel sick. The whole inside I feel inflamed. I say, alright, maybe it's a little sinus thing, because, you know, we're Jamaican. Enough how we say we have sinus and or thing that. Anyway, throughout the whole day, I just feel sick. So when the kids run come near me or something, I said, no, daddy can't talk to you now. No, daddy don't feel well. So Bria who know more, Bria would start staying away. And I tell wife is I don't feel so well. So I take some painkiller, I take some sinus med, I take some whole heap of something. I take liquor fruit, I take some garlic something, I take some honey. And I try to fight it. So for the whole day, I just feel sick. So I start taking myself, because I say, if I eat this, I eat this. So I just start stay far. Fever. Take some Beralgin. Take some multi-symptom. Just start feel sick. Tell babe, say, boy, I'm not sure, but I don't feel well. So when he came out tonight, she bathed the kids. I usually bathe the girls and put them to bed, at least Bella. But she took on all the tasks. She carried my food, come give me in the chair. So I was in the couch for the whole time to stay away from them. And that night, big man thing, I nearly started bawl. Like, I started to myself, say, this is it, 14 days I have to stay away from my family now. How would Bria react? Because she love to run, come to me and lift. She want to lift up. Bella is the same thing. You know, they want to walk the dog with them. They want to go outside. You know, how would they manage this distance thing? You know, I'm never too worried about wife, because you know, so she would have just have things locked. You know, but then I start thinking if she need to go up on the road, did I buy enough supplies? You know, if she's gonna go and take a risk now, if she needs to go on the road, who's gonna stay with the kids? Because me can't stay with them, and we not get nobody to come in. Fever, rock, I take some more Beralgin, I knock out, I take some more multi-symptom, I knock out. And the scare that I faced, I never even really tell wife I face it alone. I just tell her I don't feel well. But the thoughts of who would provide for my family, of what would happen if there's a need, of how would they manage if they need to go out and get stuff, hit me. And it was one of the lowest points of my life in this COVID situation. Suffice to say, after 2 or 3 days, after 3 days, no fever, no ill feeling, no cold, no nothing. So that's it. Little confession time. But I'm good. I'm there. It wasn't COVID, and everybody in the family good. But it was scary.